A growing number of Native American households in Nevada have no access to indoor plumbing, a condition known as plumbing poverty, according to a new study by a team from DRY and the Guinn Center for Policy Priorities. In rural areas, aging or absent water infrastructure creates additional challenges. In this study, the research team used U.S. Census microdata on household plumbing characteristics to learn about the access of Native American community members to complete plumbing facilities, including piped water, hot and cold, a flush toilet, and a bathtub or shower. They also used water quality reports from the Environmental Protection Agency to learn about drinking water sources and health violations. According to their results, during the 30-year time period from 1990 to 2019, an average of 0.67% of Native American households in Nevada lacked complete indoor plumbing, higher than the national average of 0.4%. Their findings show a consistent increase in the lack of access to plumbing over the last few decades, with more than 20,000 people affected in 2019. Previous studies have found that Native American households are more likely to lack complete indoor plumbing than other households in the U.S., and our results show a similar trend here in Nevada, said lead author Eric Bandala, Ph.D., Assistant Research Professor of Environmental Science at. This can create quality of life problems. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, when lack of indoor plumbing could have prevented basic health measures like handwashing. Plumbing poverty may correlate with other types of poverty. Analysis by the study team showed that as the number of people living in a household increased, access to complete plumbing decreased significantly, in agreement with other studies. Study findings also showed a significant increase in the number of Safe Drinking Water Act violations in water facilities serving Native American communities in Nevada from 2005 to 2020. Water accessibility, reliability, and quality are major challenges for Native American communities in Nevada and throughout the Southwest, said co-author Maureen McCarthy, Ph.D., Research Professor of Environmental Science and Director of the Native Climate Project at DRY. The full study, assessing the effect of extreme heat on workforce health in the southwestern USA, is available from the International Journal of Environmental Science and Technology. This project was funded by the General Frederick West Lander Endowment at DRY. Study authors included Eric Bandala, DRY, Maureen McCarthy, DRY, and Nancy Brune, DRY, formerly of the Guinn Center for Policy Priorities. Make a difference. Sponsored Opportunity Story Source. Materials provided by Desert Research Institute. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Growing numbers of Native American households in Nevada face plumbing poverty, water quality problems. New study analyzes trends, opportunities, and challenges related to water security in Nevada's Native American communities. Science Daily. Growing numbers of Native American households in Nevada face plumbing poverty, water quality problems. New study analyzes trends, opportunities, and challenges related to water security in Nevada's Native American communities. Growing numbers of Native American households in Nevada face plumbing poverty, water quality problems. New study analyzes trends, opportunities, and challenges related to water security in Nevada's Native American communities. Science Daily. https://ift sk9xrt4. Access September 7, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.